The benefits of potassium for weight loss. Potassium is an electrolyte mineral needed by the human body in large amounts every single day. If you wish to lose weight by going on a diet or following an exercise plan, it is very important that you get more potassium into your diet. In today's video, we will explain why potassium is so important for weight loss and how this affects the human body at the cellular level. 1. Potassium is one of the most important minerals needed by the human body, especially when it comes to losing weight. 2. The human body needs at least 4,700 milligrams of potassium per day for perfect health, as it is used heavily for cellular function and metabolism. Eating foods rich in potassium helps your cells to accept more minerals, glucose and fuel. This works by activating the various potassium pumps in the body which are part of the cell membranes. 4. By helping the trillions of cells to function properly, the body is less likely to turn sugary foods into fat cells after digestion. 5. Potassium also reduces insulin resistance and improves the health of the pancreas. This helps you to tap into your own fat reserves for energy when dieting or exercising. 6. Potassium is also the most important electrolyte mineral which helps to charge your cells and body with energy. This makes you feel more energetic and fights off fatigue naturally. 7. In order to build healthy, strong stomach acid, your body uses potassium as part of the hydrogen-potassium pump. This builds stomach acids which allow you to break down foods properly, absorbing more protein and minerals. 8. This in turn allows you to build stronger and healthier muscles, which reduces the need to store excess body fat. 9. Potassium also helps your muscle cells to absorb calcium and other minerals, which allows them to relax and contract. This reduces feelings of aching and fatigue after exercising and helps you to get more out of your workout routines by boosting endurance. 10. Potassium is also very important when it comes to moving fluids around the body and balancing out the negative effects of salt. This reduces water retention and swelling, especially in the feet and hands. 11. You will also feel happier and more likely to stick to a healthy eating plan when you are loading up on potassium. This electrolyte mineral will improve mood, cognitive function and hormone balance in the brain for more motivation and concentration. It also gets rid of cravings for sweet foods. 12. If you often suffer with stress and anxiety, then your body will be producing high amounts of cortisol. Too much cortisol and stress causes the muscles to break down into sugar, which is then stored as fat. Potassium helps to reduce cortisol and stress because it is a natural physiological tranquilizer which calms the nervous system. 13. The best foods rich in potassium are avocados, beet tops, wild-caught salmon, bok choy, spinach and Swiss chard. You should be consuming large leafy green salads each day when trying to lose weight. 14. We also recommend following a diet which is low in processed carbohydrates, refined grains and sugars. Healthy keto or paleo are two of the best diets for shedding extra pounds and building a stronger, healthier body. 15. If you wish to take a supplement, always consume potassium citrate as this is the most easily absorbed. However, most supplements only contain around 90 milligrams and we need at least 4,700 milligrams per day. Food-based sources are best as they contain a natural complex of minerals and phytonutrients. 16. The foods rich in potassium also contain a balance of natural electrolytes including magnesium and calcium, which all work together inside the cells of the body. 17. On a final note, potassium also strengthens the heart muscle and lowers the risk of angina, coronary heart spasms and cramping of the heart muscle. To learn more about the health benefits of potassium, please select our potassium video at the end. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.